Hello everyone, this is Nivedita from NST Coaching. I'll be taking your history lessons, and this is important for your CTET, other TETs, KVS as well as TSSB. And now let's begin. I have taken early part of our past. First crops such as wheat and barley were grown about 8,000 years ago. Rice was first grown in north of Vindhyas. About 2,500 years ago, cities were developed on the banks of river Ganga and its tributaries along the sea coast. And the great city which was developed along the river Ganga was your Mughal. The word India comes from Indus, which also called Sindhu, which was also called as Sindhu in Sanskrit. The Iranians and the Greeks who came through northwest about 2,500 years ago were familiar with Indus, called it Hindus or Indus, and the land to the east of the river was called India. The name Bharat was used for a group of people who lived in northwest and who are mentioned in the Rig Veda. The earliest composition of Sanskrit, which was 3,500 years ago. Later, it was used for other countries. So you can know that the word Indus or Sindhu, you can say it in Hindi, Sindhu Ghati, which is also called as Indus Valley Civilization, right? The word India came from this Indus, and the Iranians and the Greeks who came from northwest 2,500 years ago, which they called the east side of this particular river, the Indus River, was Indus, or you can say Hindus, and the group of people who lived there were called as Bharat, Bharata. Okay. In Rig Veda also you get the mention of the in Sanskrit of particular word. All the dates before the birth, this is also important part, all the dates which were before the birth of Christ, that is your Jesus Christ, are counted backwards, right? They are counted backwards and usually have the letter BC, that is before Christ. And this particular word AD, this stands for two Latin words, Anno Domini meaning the year of the Lord. Which year? The year of the Lord, that is your Christ. So for example, you can say 2012 can also be written as AD, that is 2012. Sometimes CE, that is also used instead of AD, right? That is your BCE instead of BC. The letters CE stands for your common era and BCE is before common era. This is your early part of your for our past. Now we'll be taking the next chapter in our next video. Right, till then, it's thank you very much from Nivedita, and hope you all subscribe the channel, and please do like and share with all your friends. Thank you.